Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Job and I'm rebuilding an old fuel tanker or bunker boat into a houseboat that we can live on, my family and I. And the idea is to make her look like a steamboat, even though she's not really a steamboat. In this video I plan to do some modifications on the back deck. I have a mast there that I built there a few years ago and it's really heavy. And that's not good for stability. It weighs I think 160 kilos. It's an old oil drilling pipe that I welded in to have a mast crane on the back. It's gotta go. But the weather is still really bad. It's been freezing a lot the last few weeks here, and there's a lot of wind today. So I think I need to find a little project I can do inside, and maybe the weather will get better later today. So yeah, that's what I'll do. So I have this little ladder here, which originally came from a manhole into the main fuel tank. So this was to get it down into the fuel tank to clean it or inspect it. And I think I would like to mount this on the back wall of the boat. Funny thing was, when I cut this ladder off, it was actually full of diesel. It wasn't fully welded in the top and the bottom, so it had completely filled up with diesel. Even when the main fuel tank was completely empty when we bought the boat, this was still full with liquid. So I got the rear lantern off the boat together with the original mount I made for it. Never been really happy with it. It's way too heavy. It weighs probably like 5-6 kilos. It's just some stuff out laying around. Past me has not been very good at making lightweight things. But now I want to reuse this plate, mount this rear lantern a bit lower besides the ladder I made yesterday, and integrate in that mount this clock. My sinking alarm that I built has 4 zones, and it needs an alarm on the back wall to notify when water is ingressing into the boat. So I want to hook this one up to it. I also want to hook up a button to the same alarm into my wheelhouse. So let's say we're sailing and somebody is manning the helm. They can press that button to notify any people on the back deck to come inside, or if they need to communicate, they know they will be called forward. So this one will serve two purposes. Sounds pretty good. I'll show it in a bit. So I'm gonna try to make a nice mount for this that has the lantern and this one mounted on the back of the boat. that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and as always, do leave me a comment below. I very much look forward to reading them. See you in the next video.